Struggling to increase your sales and conversions on your website? Do you have website traffic but not turning into leads or sales? You need a captivating whiteboard animation. Not an ordinary, boring one, but the most engaging one. Whiteboard animations are proven to engage audiences due to the fact that our eyes tend to follow that magical pen and keep focused. But not all the videos have the same impact on viewers. Some of them can create miracles and become the driving force for the business. But poorly created videos might even kill the brand. So think about it twice. We are here to create that driving force for your business. Our videos are good for websites, sales funnels, product launches, presentations, and much more. If you don't have a script, never mind. We offer turnkey packages that includes everything you will need. So what are you waiting for? You are losing opportunities every second passing by, so contact us now.